G'day people, I'm Sharyn and welcome. If you own the Elna Expressive 830, I have made a series of tutorials about how to operate your machine. Those tutorials say that they're about the Janome 400, 500 and 550E, but they're all fundamentally the same machine and they operate the same way. So the tutorials are also aimed at you. I made the series on a Janome 550E. It operates exactly the same as your machine. It just has some minor differences in the built-in designs and perhaps the hoop sizes, but how it works is the same. I particularly would like you to watch the things on settings and on editing. These are things people often don't know a lot about with their machines. I would recommend you start at the beginning and follow it all the way through. So please join me over there.